In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom AI Companion, a powerful tool designed to help you streamline your work and make the most out of your Zoom experience. Whether you're looking to manage tasks efficiently or enhance your workflows, the AI Companion offers a variety of features tailored to support your virtual activities. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most of this tech-savvy companion. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is locate and click on the AI Companion within your Zoom interface. It's a straightforward process, but this step is crucial as it opens up the suite of functionalities that AI Companion provides. Once you've accessed it, you'll find a set of features aimed at boosting your productivity and simplifying your workflow management. Now, let's talk about creating tasks. The AI Companion allows you to generate tasks directly within the program, which is incredibly helpful for keeping track of important responsibilities or meetings. Imagine, for instance, you're in the middle of a Zoom meeting and a critical deadline comes up. Instead of relying on memory or scribbling notes, you can immediately create a task, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. This feature not only organizes your duties, but also integrates seamlessly with your ongoing Zoom activities, keeping everything connected in one place. Next, let's focus on workflows. Creating workflows with the AI Companion is another key feature that can save you time and effort. Workflows are essentially streamlined processes for handling your meetings and tasks efficiently. By setting up a workflow, you can automate repetitive actions, allowing you to focus more on the content of your meetings rather than the logistics. For instance, if you have a recurring team meeting every Monday, you can develop a workflow that automatically sets up the agenda, invites participants, and even reminds you of any important documents to prepare. This automation not only saves you time, but significantly reduces stress and oversight. Moreover, the AI Companion offers templates for your Zoom activities. These templates can simplify your setup process, making it easier to handle tasks and workflows tailored to your unique needs. Whether you need a template for a team brainstorming session or a one-on-one meeting, you can customize these templates to suit your requirements. They serve as a skeleton framework that you can adapt, thus eliminating the monotonous task of setting up meetings from scratch. It's like having a handy toolbox ready for any scenario, ultimately enhancing your overall Zoom experience. To wrap it up, the Zoom AI Companion is an invaluable addition to your digital workspace. By utilizing its task creation, workflow management, and template features, you can ensure that your Zoom activities are not only more organized, but also significantly more productive. Embrace this tech-savvy approach and transform the way you handle virtual meetings. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these features as beneficial as I do. Happy Zooming,